Namaskar. Welcome to Canada. I am Prashant. Today I am going to teach you about LCM. Everyone knows that the full form of LCM is least common multiples. What is LCM? LCM is the smallest number which is completely divisible by given numbers is called LCM. I mean to say the smallest number which is completely divisible by given number is called the LCM of given numbers. It plays significant role in adding, subtracting and comparing between two different fractions. We can find out the LCM in three different methods such as listing the multiples method, division method and point factorization method. Let's find out the LCM using these methods one by one. Let's start with listing the multiples method. Let's find out the LCM using listing the multiples method. Let's break down these words and think what it means. Least. Least means smallest amount. Our called smallest number. For example, 3, 7, 2, 8. Which is the smallest number in these numbers? Of course 2. 2 is the smallest number. We can say 2 is the least number in these numbers. Next, what is meant by common? Common means a same amount are called same number. For example, 3, 7, 2, 8 is here and 6, 5, 2, 3. In these two groups, which is the common number? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is the common number in these two numbers. What is meant by multiple? Multiple means a number you get when you multiply a certain number by an integer. An example it will make much more clear. Find the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. Write the first 6 multiples of each number. The first 6 multiples of 3 are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are 18. So these are the first 6 multiples of 3. Next, write the first 6 multiples of 4. The first 6 multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and 4 sixes are 24. So these are the first 6 multiples of 4. Next, find the first 6 multiples of 6. The first 6 multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. These are the first 6 multiples of 6. Next, write the common multiples of given number. The common multiples of 3, 4 and 6 are 12. 12 is the common multiple in 3, 4 and 6. 24. 24 also common multiples in 3, 4 and 6. Right here 12 and 24. 12 and 24 are the common multiples of 3, 4 and 6. Next, find the least. Least means smallest multiples of given numbers. The smallest multiple of given numbers is 12. 12 is the smallest number in common multiples. Least common multiple of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. 12 is the smallest number which is completely divisible by 3, 4 and 6. So 12 is the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. Next, Find the LCM using division method. Find the LCM using division method. Find the LCM of 4, 6 and 8 using division method. Write all these numbers inside of the symbol separately. 4, 6, 8. Write the number left side of the symbol which divides minimum 2 numbers inside of the symbol. 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So write again the symbol and go on dividing. Here 2 divides these two numbers, so let's write 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 3 cannot divide by 2, so write the number as it is, 3. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Here stop the process of division because these numbers cannot be divided by any other numbers. These numbers are divided by the number itself. Let's find out product of number which is written left side of the symbol and also quotient. 2 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2. The product of these numbers is the LCM of given numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 is the LCM of given numbers. 24 is the smallest number which is completely divisible by 4, 6 and 8. Now, let's find the LCM using prime factorization method. Find the LCM of given factors. These are the factors of 20. These are the factors of 40. These are the factors of 30. So, the LCM of these numbers is the product of common factor and non-common factor. Here 2 and 5 is the common factor in all three groups. Let's write 2 and 5 with multiplication sign. 2 is the common factor in first and second group. Let's write 2 with multiplication sign. 2 and 3 is the non-common factor in second and third group. Let's write 2 and 3 with multiplication sign. The product of these numbers is the LCM of given numbers. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 3s are 120. So 120 is the LCM of given factors. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe.